Welcome to this episode of Training Minutes. I'm Paulie Capo, and today we're going to be training on search rope management. We advocate that we deploy a search rope anytime during a RIT activation or anytime firefighters enter a commercial occupancy when not accompanied by a hose line. See, the search rope is extremely important for our way out of the building, as well as for other firefighters to come to us if help is needed. If not minded properly, it can become more of a hindrance than a help. Because of this importance, we advocate that the officer deploys the rope. You see, when Jim deploys the search rope right now, it doesn't present that much of a problem when deploying. Okay? When Jim deploys the rope, as soon as he hooks up to the substantial object, it's important that he maintains the #1 rule of search rope management, and that's keeping the rope taut between him and the anchor at all times. When deploying the rope, that can be managed well. The problem lies is when we started going the wrong way. That pass device became shallower and sound, or when we accomplished the search of this area and now have to move on to another wing in the structure. This is where it becomes an issue. Okay? All of this unminded rope is our problem. This can get caught on items in the structure and not allow us to get out in a hasty manner. It's also not allowing firefighters to come to us rapidly as well. This needs to be maintained. We're now going to show you how to maintain the search rope with the Bight Pull technique. So now, Jim maintaining the #1 rule, keeping the rope taut between him and the anchor at all times, is going to reach out a full arm span, pull on the bight. This is the Bight Pull, and drop the bight. He does the Bight Pull technique to when he needs to change of direction, or one of the reasons to leave altogether. If done correctly, this will be minded in his hand well. We want to eliminate taking small bites because you'll run out of hand. So a full arm spread is the way we're going to do it. Now we have these bites. Now Jim is going to deploy the rope in a different direction, and you're going to show how this deploys similar to a Minuteman load. Keeping the rope taut between him and the anchor at all times. Now we're going to show you how we drill on this technique in a practical application. On the next video, we will show the 4 ways to manage the search rope when exiting the structure with our victim. I'm Paulie Capo. Thank you for watching this episode of Fire Engineering Training Minutes.